Hello, good morning children. Today I am taking for class 2nd standard subject English. Today I will be taking the same lesson back to school. See, yesterday I taught you all lesson back to school. Then shall we continue today that same lesson. Yesterday I incompleted it. Then today I will continue the same lesson for class 2nd standard. What is the date today? Today date is 31/7/2020. Day Friday. Shall we continue the same lesson? See here. Now page number 10. You will open page number 10. Page number 10. See here. Page number 10. See here. Now Tara is at school. The same yesterday we read page number 9. Then the same lesson we continue from page number 10. Now Tara is at school. You all read after me. Now Tara is at school. She sees her friends Zeba. She sees her friend Zeba. Hello Zeba. She says, hello Zeba. Tara calls out. Tara calls out. Hello Tara. How are you? Says Zeba. Who asked? Zeba asked to Tara. See, she says, I am fine. Thank you. Who says? Zeba says. How are you? I am fine too, Tara says. Says Zeba. Anu joins them. Anu joins them. It is nice to see you all, she says. She says, we are nice to see you all. Isn't it good to be back to school? Zeba says. Who says? Zeba says. Yes, it is. But holidays were fun too. They enjoyed holidays also. Before coming to school, they were holidays. When they joined the school, they saw many friends in the school, meeting one another, saying hello, hi, asking how are they. Then, yes, it is. But holidays were fun too. They spoke, holidays also were fun, says Anu. Did you go on a holidays? Did you go on a holiday? Asked Tara. Yes, I had been to Shimla, says Anu. Who says? I had. Asked Tara. Who asked? Tara asked. Yes, I had been to Shimla, says Anu. What did you do? Zeba. Who asked? Anu asked. I spent my holidays at my grandmother's house. She spent holidays in her grandmother's house. Where she went? She went to Shimla. And you, Tara? She asked. Who asked? Anu asked to Tara. Then what did she answer? Let me see here. I attended a summer camp. She attended a summer camp. Tara says, a summer camp. What is that? Asked Zeba. She asked. Who asked? Tara asked to Zeba. I learnt music, dance, painting and many other things. They also taught us swimming. They also taught us swimming. It was great fun. There it was great fun, says Tara. And there's going to be lots of fun at school too. Zeba says. The bell is ringing. Let's go, says Anu. After prayer, Anu, Zeba and Tara go to their classroom. They are in a new classroom. They are in a new classroom. They are very happy. The children of class 2 are making a lot of noise. The teacher enters the classroom. Now the class is quiet. Good morning, children, the teacher says. Good morning, teacher, the children says. The new school term has begun. See here, today we learned in the class and about the school we learned back to school. Today see here page number 11, 10 and 11 we learned. See here, now once again shall I explain you. Now Tara is at school. Tara went to school. She sees her friend Zeba. She saw there Zeba in the school. Hello Zeba, she told. Hello Zeba. Tara calls out. Hello Tara. How are you? Who asked? Zeba asked. She says, I am fine. Thank you. How are you? She asked. Who asked? Zeba. I am fine too, says Zeba. Anu joined them. Again Anu came there and they joined her. It is nice to see you all. She says, we are nice, we are gathered here and we saw you here in the school. She says, isn't it good to be back to school? Zeba says, yes, it is, but holidays were fun too. They all discussed holidays also were fun. Says Anu, did you go on a holiday? Asked Tara. Yes, I had been to Shimla. She says, I went to Shimla. Says Anu. What do you do, Zeba? I spent my holidays at my grandmother's house. And you, Tara? I attended a summer camp. Tara says. A summer camp? What is that? Asked Zeba. I learnt music, dance, painting and many other things. Camp means they taught me dance, music, painting and many other things. In the holidays, what does she learn? Tara learnt dance, music, painting and many other things. They also taught us swimming. They also taught us swimming in the summer camp. It was great fun, says Tara. And they are going to be lots of fun at school too. And there is going to be lots of fun at school too. Zeba says. The bell is ringing. Let's go. Now there in the school they all discussed these all about holidays and summer camps. They discussed about holidays. Now in the school the bell rings. The bell is ringing. Let's go, says Anu. After ringing the bell, they had prayer. Zeba and Tara go to their classroom. Where they went? To their classroom. They are in a new classroom. Now they are in class 2. They went to their new classroom. They are very happy seeing their classroom. The children of class 2 are making lots of noise. The children of class 2 are making lots of noise because now they see the friends in the class after many days. They have lots of fun. Now they are joining the class. Now they are making lots of noise in the class. The children of class 2 are making lots of noise. the teacher enters the classroom. Now the teacher comes. Now the class is quiet. Now they are silent in the class. Good morning, children. Who says? The teacher says. Good morning, teacher. The children say. The new school term has begun. Now the class 2. Now they have completed first standard. Now they come to second standard. That is, for them it is new term of the school has begun. Now we completed the lesson back to school. Now next we studied here. I gave you all spellings for reading and writing also. See here, yesterday I gave half of the spellings. Now today also I gave the spellings. You have to, today I will be giving the spellings. Now you have to write at home. The same lesson you have to read at home also. See here, the same lesson you have to read at home with the spellings, and you have to complete the lesson. Today I will be giving you all spellings, that is words. Now you all write words in your homework book. See here, now yesterday I gave you all how many spellings I gave? Maybe 5 or 6. Now shall we continue? First one, holidays. Second, attended. Third, summer camp. Fourth, school. Fifth, music. Sixth, dance. Seventh, drawing. See here, today only you have to write only 7 words 5 times. This is the homework for you all. Today's homework is you have to read the full lesson and write 7 words 5 times in your homework book. See here, one more thing. Tomorrow after writing the words, shall we say the same lesson orally? Here they have given orals and true or false. Shall we continue tomorrow? Okay, you have to write 5 times homework these words, and you have to read the lesson at home. This is the homework. You have to read lesson. Read lesson homework. You have to read lesson and you have to write the words 5 times. Today shall we complete it? Okay. Tomorrow the same lesson I will be continuing. Thank you.